Hi students of grade 11. I have compiled practice questions that will challenge your understanding. I encourage you to watch the video, try out the questions presented in the video, and then showcase your brilliance by sharing your answers in the comment section below. Don't forget to include your name and your father's name initial to personalize your responses. Or for that extra touch of personalization, just include your name as well as your father's name initial. Without any further ado, let's dive in and conquer those challenges one question at a time. So basically the first question says, what is the name of base promoted ester hydrolysis reaction? In other words, base catalyzed ester hydrolysis reaction is called or is known as what? Is it acylation, esterification, condensation, or saponification? What is the name of this compound right here? Question number 3. Which of the following organic molecules has the highest water solubility? Is it A, B, is it C, is it D? Which of the following statements is true about esters? Esters can form intermolecular hydrogen bonds. Ester molecules can form intermolecular hydrogen bonds. Ester molecules cannot form intermolecular hydrogen bonds. Or esters have higher boiling point than alcohols of comparable molecular weight. The organic compound which is given here is basically the functional group which is seen in this molecule is A, aldehyde, B, ester, C, carbonyl, D, ketone. Consider the following reaction. The reaction between this molecule and sodium hydroxide. What are the products of this reaction? Sodium acetate and ethanol, sodium propanoate and methanol, sodium acetate and methanol, and D-methyl propionic acid and methanol. Question number 7. Why do a pressure cooker reduce cooking time? The heat is more evenly distributed. A stronger flame is used for cooking. C. The high pressure tenderizes the food. D. The boiling point of water inside the cooker is increased. Question number 8. What is the process that converts liquid vegetable oils to solid fats? Is it hydration, hydrogenation, hydrolysis, saponification? Which of the following reactions will produce an alkyl carboxylic acid? Is it A, heating a methyl ketone with acid and iodine, B, reacting an alkyl halide with hydrogen gas and platinum, C, reacting an alcohol with ozone, or D, oxidation of a primary alcohol with hot permanganate or chromate? Which of the following statements is not true? Naturally derived soaps consist of a soluble salt of a long chain fatty acid. Triacylglycerols are esters of glycerol and long chain carboxylic acids. And C, long chain carboxylic acids are also known as fatty acids. D, the major acidic component of vinegar is formic acid. Question number 11. What is the product of the hydrolysis of esters in the presence of a mineral acid catalyst? Is it alcohol, carbon dioxide, ether, or ketones? which organic functional group does the following molecular representation, which is given here, belong to? Is it ketone, aldehyde, ethers, or alcohols? Commercially, liquid vegetable oils are converted to solid fats such as margarine by A. hydrogenation, B. hydration, C. saponification, D. oxidation. Which compound is a carboxylic acid? Is it this, or this? Which compound is an ester? Is it A, B, C, or D? Question number 17. A triacyl glycerol that is solid at room temperature is called A. lipid, B. fat, C. wax, D. oil. When the following substances are arranged in order of increasing melting point, meaning from the lowest melting point to the highest melting point, which one is the correct order? Is it A, B, C, or D? Very interesting question. Which of the following gives the correct order of decreasing acidity of carboxylic acids? Decreasing acidity of carboxylic acid. Is it A, B, C, or D? So when we say decreasing acidity, you have to start from a very acidic to the lowest acidic carboxylic acids. Chemically, fats and oils are what? Are they acids, alcohols, esters, alkenes? Which of the following is used in the reaction called saponification? Strong base, strong acid, hydrogen, or nickel? What is the IUPAC name of the compound below? And the functional group is carboxylic acid. Okay? Question number 23. Similar question, but different functional groups. Which of the following is acceptable IUPAC name for the organic compound which is shown here? This right here. Which of the following would react to form phenyl ethanoate? So basically you are asked to predict from which alcohol and carboxylic acid is this ester derived from. Which of the following statements concerning fats and oils is incorrect? They are also called triacyl glycerols. They are also fatty acid salts. And C, they are ester salts. D, they are glycerol triesters. Which of the following types of compounds are expected products from the saponification of a fat? Is it glycerol and fatty acid salts, fatty acid salts and fatty acids, glycerol and fatty acids, glycerol, fatty acid salts, and fatty acids? That's all I have. Thank you for watching.